Jejemon, ripping them snapbacks, keeping it Jeje. Oh, Jejemon, ulavi nakafayeksa, assalamualaikum. Jejemon.
Our voice of our Jeje this week is bib. A bib is what most athletes wear when competing. A bib is a sheet of thin plastic known as Tyvek that withstands sweat and moisture and is able to move with the wearer's body. Bula, and welcome back to our final segment, Fiji. Now let's meet Olympian and Fijian swimmer Matelita Buadromo. One of our most decorated athletes when it comes to medals, Matelita is currently pursuing her studies at the University of the South Pacific here in Suva, and I caught up with her to find out more about her career, fashion and style.
Bula, Fiji, I'm Matelita Buadromo and I'm an elite swimmer for Fiji. I'm 24 years of age, and my father is from Moala in Laos, and my mother comes from beautiful islands of Rotuma, and our village is Motusa and Saudi. I started swimming at a very young age. My older sister actually started off the swimming for us in my family. After watching my sister achieve what she did in a very short span of time, I think I decided that that's what I really wanted to do and that's what I wanted to be. Well, my sense of fashion is always casual, anything comfortable, but I do like vintage sort of styles. I do like a lot of Adidas looks in terms of sports brands. And for me personally, because of the swimming brands, we have quite different ones that probably a lot of people don't know about, but Speedo is one of my favorite. Yes, for me, hands down, it's Nike. The Pacific Games last year, we won a gold medal, the 4x1 freestyle relay team. It's my favorite moment because we actually created history. It was the first time Fiji swimming had ever won a gold medal in a relay. Basically a representation of one reaching the pinnacle event in one sporting career. And that means that they would have had to gone through tremendous amount of work and obstacles, and which requires a lot of strength and sacrifices, which is not an easy thing to do. I am trying to achieve more purpose outside of sport and swimming. Because swimming has been such a big part of my life, it's about looking beyond that. It's been really difficult for us, and yeah, we're just doing whatever else we can, basically just to keep fit in general is all we can do at the moment. Yeah, not really. We luckily for us, it's not a weight categorized type of sport where you have certain weight to compete in, but we're very strict in terms of a lot of unhealthy foods, as everyone would be. It would be all the women in my life, my grandmother, my mother, my sister, my coach, my boss. And the one thing that they have in common is, that really inspires me, is just the strength that they have during difficult times. If you discover a new sport that you love, is to hold on to that love and do it because you're passionate about it. And I think as long as you stay passionate and you love your sport, everything else will fall into place. And just keep working hard towards it, but don't lose that passion and that love for that sport. It's gonna carry you a very long way. Yeah. Anything elegant would be my tip, and anything to match. I'm Matelita Buadromo and I'm keeping it Jeje on Jejemon.
Jejemon, ripping them snapbacks, keeping it Jeje. Oh, Jejemon, ulavi nakafayeksa, assalamualaikum. Jejemon.